Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an AC compressor. First, ensure your safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, the AC system must be safely discharged by a certified technician to remove all refrigerant. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, throughout the entire process to prevent injury. Once the system is discharged, you can begin removing the old compressor. Start by loosening the tensioner and removing the serpentine belt. Next, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and the high and low pressure refrigerant lines from the compressor. Finally, unbolt the compressor from its mounting brackets and carefully remove it from the engine bay. Now, prepare to install the new AC compressor. Always replace the O-rings on the refrigerant lines to ensure a proper seal. Carefully position the new compressor and bolt it securely into its mounting brackets. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the high and low pressure refrigerant lines, ensuring they are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. After installation, the AC system needs to be properly evacuated using a vacuum pump to remove all air and moisture. Then, recharge the system with the specified amount of refrigerant and compressor oil. Finally, start the engine, turn on the AC, and check for proper cooling and any potential leaks using a leak detector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.